In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete in Figma. We'll walk through the clear, reliable way to remove files and projects from your workspace. And then how to permanently delete items from the trash when you are sure you no longer need them. Along the way, I'll share a few tips to help you stay organized and avoid surprises. Start in the file browser. Not inside an open design file. The file browser is your home base, where you see teams, projects, and all your thumbnails in one place. To remove an individual file, find it in the file browser. Then right-click the thumbnail or the file name and choose Move to Trash. This does not erase the file immediately. It simply relocates it to the trash as a safety net. It's perfect for clearing out drafts, duplicates, or older explorations while keeping the option to change your mind. Just remember, in shared workspaces, moving a file to the trash can affect collaborators who had access, so give your team a heads up if needed. Next, if you need to remove an entire project, stay in the file browser and navigate to that project. Right-click the project and select Delete. This removes the project container from your browser's view. In many teams, only certain roles can delete projects, so if you don't see the delete option, you may need help from an admin or the project owner. Deleting a project is a bigger housekeeping move, so make sure it's no longer needed before you proceed. When you are confident something can go for good, permanently delete it from the trash. In the file browser, open the trash from the left sidebar. Locate the item you no longer need. Right-click it. And select Delete permanently. This step is irreversible. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right file, especially if your workspace uses similar names or versions. After permanent deletion, the file can't be restored and any existing links to it will stop working. A few quick tips to make these steps smoother. Review your trash on a regular schedule so it doesn't become a cluttered archive. Hold off on permanent deletion until stakeholders sign off. And use clear naming and version labels so it's obvious what can safely be removed. If you are unsure, give it a little time in trash before committing to permanent deletion. That's it. Thanks for watching.